Today I want to talk about peach blushes and orange blushes in general. So, do we really need so many warm blushes, and do they make sense if we are talking about natural makeup and a natural flush? I've been working in the beauty industry for a half of my life, 16 years, and I've been doing my makeup almost every day for about 20 years. So I clearly remember how blush used to look before all this peach obsession started. Back then, blush was just pink, dusty pink, cool pink, soft rose, and peach blushes felt like a niche product, something for an artistic makeup look. But then NARS orgasm happened very loudly and very successfully with a strong PR support. And it slowly became this idea that a peachy pink shade is universal and work on everyone. But it's not. Later, when I started working on the corporate side of the beauty industry, I noticed something interesting, that peach blushes are everywhere. And at the same time, cool shades are disappearing from the shelves. And when I asked product teams why, they say that Asian market prefers peach blushes, warm tones. So brands adapt their assortments to where the money is. I don't want to sound bitter, I love this industry, but I feel that this trend is more imposed than natural. Because if you think about the human body, our blood is red. When we blush, when we are cold, when we are embarrassed, our cheeks become red, not orange, not peach. The main purpose of blush is to imitate blood streaming to the cheeks, And our blood is red. Just look under your tongue. You will see veins and they are purple or even blue. Look at your eyes, like this area. Veins are also red. Not orange, not peach. So when the beauty industry suddenly pushes orange and peach tones as the main natural blush category, that's an embarrassment. Of course, I understand the beauty industry logic too. The industry always think what else we can sell. And I can imagine this moment when they decided to sell peach blushes. Like, John, we have to increase our sales. Yes, but how? We already have a lot of products. We have products for every part of women's body. We need more, John. We can play with shades. Okay, let's do it. Maybe eyeshadows. Now it's boring, we already have a lot of lipsticks. Now we already have black, brown, red, pink. There is no new colors. Maybe blushes. But we already have dusty rose, cool pink, just pink, red blushes. Orange. But blood is red. Orange. Mr. Salesman, blood is red. The purpose of blush is to imitate red blood, convince them that blood is not red. But women will look silly with orange cheeks. I don't care, John. We have to increase our sales. Okay, maybe we can create just one shade of orange, like peachy pink blushes. That's not enough. I want 95% of all blushes in the world are peach or even orange, and 5% natural pinky and red blushes. By the way, orange blushes can look beautiful as an accent, but honestly, they don't suit that many people as an everyday natural option. What really confuses me is that in many brands today we can see something like really 95% of orange or peach blushes and maybe 5% of neutral pink, cool tones. They just suddenly stopped existing. At some point I tried to explain this by thinking that maybe there are a lot of warm color types in the world. But even that doesn't really work because the whole warm versus cool system is very relative. At the same time, I understand why peach blushes became so popular with customers. Peach tones are very hard to overdo and they are very forgiving. When you blend a peach blush, it melts in very softly, even if you apply more than needed. Peach blush, on the other hand, is harder to blend because it contains blue pigment, and blue pigment is the hardest pigment to blend. Just try to do blue smoky eyes. So from this perspective, peach blush feels safe, easy, and low risk, especially for people who don't want to think too much about makeup and how they look. and spend time correcting mistakes. What makes this trend even more interesting is that it exists in the same time with the global obsession with natural makeup, clean beauty, and skin-like results, while orange tones are actually one of the least natural-looking colors on human skin. Now I'm really curious about your experience, because numbers say one thing, but real people sometimes say another. So tell me in the comments, what do you have more in your collection, and what do you love more in your collection? Cool toned shades or warm toned shades of blushes? And do you actually feel that peach blush looks more natural on you, or just safer and easier? Because if I look at sales data across countries, peach shades win almost everywhere.